everyone, it's Kezzy over here from Kezzy's Corner and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Kezia and this is my little corner. As you can see, we have this year's Christmas 2020 makeup look and I used a Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette. I had asked on my Instagram which palette should I use for this year's Christmas makeup look and most of you voted for this one. So this is the one that I used. I have my reindeer hairband on and I also have my Christmas earrings on, my red sweater. And yeah, basically just enjoy watching me recreate this very look and also use the palette for the very first time as well. It's basically a very simple makeup look. I didn't want to do something which was like a lot because it is Christmas and this year Christmas is a bit different as well, and I wanted to create an easy makeup look that you guys can all recreate as well. Very simple. Honestly guys, you can do this yourselves. If you do recreate it, let me know in the comments down below or tag me in your Instagram photos or whatnot. If you like today's and this year's Christmas makeup look, then give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe. And I wish you all a Merry Christmas, to enjoy it with your loved ones, to stay safe obviously, and to take care of yourselves. A big hug to everybody. Merry Christmas. Love you all, and let's go ahead and get started with today's video. Bye! Okay, so let's begin. I'm very happy with my antlers, as you can see. So the palette we're going to be using today is the Pumpkin Spice palette from Too Faced. It smells amazing and I absolutely love its quality. So the first shade I'm going to be using is called Fall For It, and I apply this using a blending brush and I apply this in my crease. This is a lovely buildable orange shade, perfect for the first shade of this makeup look. The second shade we're going to be using is called A La Mode, and I found that mixing these two together actually allowed me to create a look which is not just, you know, fall, but basically Christmassy, you know what I mean? So yeah, just blend out these both these shades and absolutely loved it. Now for the next part, I used Cocoa Drizzle and Warm and Cozy together, and these were my outer corner shades, and I loved building this up and blending it into my outer corner and then also gently building it up with the other two shades. Now I'm applying the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas, and I apply this as a half cut crease basically because that is the thing that I've been doing for 2020, and the shade I'm going to be using on top is called Fall Vibes, and I absolutely love this shade. I loved using it with my fingers. However, then I dampened the brush and I just basically went in with a brush, and I actually loved how it set into place. It's a very pretty shade and I found that it worked beautifully. No complaints whatsoever. Don't know what just happened there. Something might have gone into my eye. I don't know. So what am I going to be doing next, Kezia? Yeah, I take my time with this shade. Very important. Very important. Okay, now I'm rubbing underneath my eyes. Yeah, because there was a bit of fallout, but not a lot. Not a lot of fallout. Now I take the shade called Ginger Spice and I apply this as my transition shade into the Fall Vibes shade, and I found that this worked perfectly. And then I took the both shades I used for the outer corner and built them up again because I felt that they needed a bit of build up. So that's what I did. And now I started doing my face makeup, and I used the Revolution primer. Absolutely love this. Then I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous foundation. This has been one of my favorite foundations for 2020 for sure. It is a bit more pricey. However, it really does an amazing job. Absolutely love it and highly recommend it for sure. Now I'm taking the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. Absolutely love this concealer as well. Highly recommend it. Perfect concealer for the drugstore for sure as well. It really does conceal really nicely underneath my eyes. I kind of used a mixture of brands for this tutorial, I feel. And I like that I did that. Okay, so now I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way powder. Oh my goodness, this sets my under eyes beautifully. And it sets everything into place. I baked for a little bit, but then I just blended it in with my sponge. And then I also used a brush to just set everywhere else. Now I'm using an I Heart Revolution Bronze and Glow Mini Duo. I applied a bit too much bronzer. However, I did blend it in. I did manage and I was very happy with the result. And then what I basically did was I went back into with the lighter shade and I just cleared sort of the harsh edge, if you could say. There you go. Okay, now I'm going to be using the Fall For It shade for my waterline, and I apply this in my inner parts. And then for the outer part, I use Spice Baby, and I found that it really worked really nicely. And then I use this inner corner highlight, and I also use the shade for my brow bone highlight as well. Now I take my Essence mascara. Absolutely love this. It's waterproof as well. The Lash Princess. There's 3 other mascaras of this range, and I absolutely love all of them. Now I take this Wycon Holiday Blush. It was like a limited edition. I think it was a while ago. But absolutely love it. And I always reach for it in the Christmas time. And I take my Benefit Cookie Highlighter, which has been a beautiful cookie highlight to use during this year as well. And I've also loved highlighting my top lip and also my nose, sorry. Now as lipstick, I use a Too Faced lipstick in Caramel Apple. So I hope you love this look. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, then press subscribe. I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you and your beautiful families. Take care, stay safe, and love you all.